Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to insert a checkmark or checkbox in a PowerPoint presentation. To begin, you will need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Take a moment to locate the PowerPoint program on your desktop or in your applications folder and launch the software so you are ready to work on your presentation. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you want to edit. This could be an existing file that you have saved or one of the recent files listed by PowerPoint. Open the presentation so that you can make changes and add the checkmark or checkbox element as needed. With your presentation now ready, focus your attention on the tool ribbon at the top of the window where you will see several tabs. The next step is to go to the Insert tab. This tab is specifically designed for adding different types of objects and images to your slides. Clicking on the Insert tab will show you a variety of creative options that you can embed within your presentation. After selecting the Insert tab, look for the option labeled Icons. This option allows you to add a wide range of symbols, including checkmarks and checkboxes, to your design. When you click on Icons, a new window will open displaying various icon categories and a search bar that helps in finding a specific icon. In the search bar provided in the Icons window, type the word check to filter through the available icons. This search function is extremely useful for quickly locating the symbol you require without having to scroll through possibly hundreds of images. As you type, visible results will appear that relate to checkmarks, and you may also see other similar symbols. Once the search results are displayed, examine the available options and choose the checkmark that best suits the style of your presentation. It is important to select an icon that matches your design philosophy so that it seamlessly integrates with your slide content. After you have made your selection, click on the Insert button. This action will place the chosen checkmark or checkbox directly into your slide, allowing you to reposition or resize it according to your layout needs. Make sure it is positioned appropriately, whether it needs to support a list or serve as a visual indicator of completed tasks. With the icon inserted into your slide, focus next on enhancing its visual appeal by adding animation. Navigate back to the tab options at the top of the PowerPoint window and go to the Animations tab. The Animations tab provides a range of choices to animate objects on your slide, making your checkmark appear in a dynamic fashion during your presentation. Within the Animations tab, select an animation effect for your checkmark that suits the overall style of your presentation. Choose an effect that draws attention to the checkmark without being overly dramatic. Once you have decided on the best animation, apply this effect to your checkmark to complete the process. This concludes the process of inserting a checkmark or checkbox into your PowerPoint presentation and animating it. By following these steps, you have learned how to enhance your slides with dynamic icons that can improve the visual communication of your ideas. Enjoy creating engaging presentations using this simple yet effective technique, and make the most of the creative tools available in PowerPoint.